Hi guys, so I am staying at Western Hotel in Mathiran. I booked the superior room, the superior deluxe room, which cost me approximately 7,000 rupees for 3 nights. And this room is a really comfortable and a very nice room. But I asked them if they have something with a view, and so I'm going to be switched to another room, which is sort of a small duplex, but it has an amazing view of the pool and also a little bit of the valley. So before I check out of this room, I wanted to give you a quick tour of the room and what all amenities are there. So let's check it out and you guys can take a look. So this is my room number 1919, and this is the entrance. You can see there are a few steps. There's a nice little place to sit outside if you are with your family or if you are with your friends. But because there are a lot of monkeys over here, I would advise you guys to not sit over here and eat, because the monkeys just come and grab food. At times, if your windows are open, they enter the room. So avoid that, but you can sit here and play a few games or just discuss. Over here, you can see a small garden for children, and this is a space that they have for the locals, and there are also a few rooms on the other side, and over there you can see the garden. So because the window of this room over here is the window overlooks this set of rooms directly, I asked them for a change. Now let's take a look inside. Oh, okay, outside you have a fan and you have a light. So if you wish to sit here in the evenings, you can just switch this light on. Yeah. And the fan is functional. Okay, so let's enter. Here you can see is my room. It's a little messy because I've already stayed here for one night, so please ignore a little bit of the mess. Right over here, right at the entrance, you can see the fridge. There is no mini bar because there are no bar bottles, but if you have carried your own liquor, you can keep it inside. Mathiran is a liquor free zone, so you won't find any liquor shops, but you can definitely carry your own liquor. Here you have the kit, you have the tea and the coffee kits, you have a few cookies, and you have 2 cups, spoons, a glass, and you have the electric kettle. This is the TV, and that is the vanity. You have tissues. Now over here you have the double bed. Please ignore the messiness of the bed because I've already, like I said before, stayed here. And over here you have a sofa, which is a pull-out sofa. So if you have anyone else, like if you're a family staying here and you want something for your child, or if you're 3 of you and you want to share the same room, you can just pull this and turn it into a bed. Here, one thing I really like about this room are the abundant lights that you have. So a lot of hotel rooms, one problem that I have is the rooms are really dark and there's not enough lighting. But there are a lot of these small lights that are strategically placed and that make the room look very bright all the time. So here you have the drawers, and like I said, the TV. So this is a space where I've just kept my bags. Over here you have the bedside table with the AC remote and the AC. And there's a pretty Varli painting in the room. The bed is pretty comfortable. You can see it's a soft bed, so it gives you a good night's sleep. And here you have the cupboards. Let's just take a look inside. Sorry. Yeah. So the cupboards have your hangers inside, your clothes hangers, and you also have hooks. So this is a double door cupboard, and you also have a single door cupboard here. And there's another small window over here. Now this window just looks out at the water tanks. It doesn't really give you any view, so you can just keep it closed. And this is the bathroom. Before going into the bathroom, there's one feature I really like about this room is they have a night light over there. And if you are somebody who's afraid of the dark and if you like to always have a light on, you can keep this night light on. You need not keep the bright room lights on. This is the bathroom. Now unfortunately my room bathroom did not have a latch or the magnet is also not working, so the door stays open most of the times, but you do have a latch key on the inside. So while you're bathing or while you're freshening up, you can definitely lock it from the inside. And this is the bathroom. So here you have the wash basin with the soap dispenser. It's an IKEA soap dispenser in case you're interested, and you have a napkin or a towel. This is the toilet, and there is also a rod here for hanging your clothes or your towels or whatever you wish to add. Just part the curtain, and you have the bathroom area. You get a bucket with a tumbler, some soap, shampoo, and the bathroom is pretty neat and clean. It's nice. So that is one of the biggest points of concern or areas of concern for me. I like my bathrooms to be very clean, and this gives me a nice feel. So the flooring you can see is slightly, it's not slightly, it's a wooden kind of a flooring, and it has recently been varnished because I dropped some water and I tried to wipe it off, and a little bit of the stain came off. So you also have drawers in the bedside table, and these are the windows, so you can open up if you are interested in checking out the view. Here you go. Yeah, like I showed you from the outside, you have a small table here, and this is the next set of rooms in front of me. The garden on the right hand side and a children's play area on the left. Here. So this is the complete room. Okay, yeah, so you have a few patches on the wall over there, which could be a deterrent if you're somebody who's an ultra neat or clean freak. And yeah, this is the room. Again, I will repeat, the price I paid for this room is 7,000 rupees for 3 nights inclusive of breakfast, and it is West End Hotel is about a 15 minutes walk from Mathiran station. It's very conveniently located to a few close to a few points like Charlotte Lake, or you also have Louisa Point nearby. So it's a very convenient place, and it's very safe. I ventured out pretty late into the night and also pretty early in the morning, and as a solo woman I felt very secure and very safe all the time. The hotel staff is also very helpful. They answer all your queries, they help you out with anything or any doubts that you have, so that's a good thing. Now let me know in comments if you have any questions or if you have any doubts, and if you do visit Mathiran, then do consider a stay at this hotel. Thanks, bye bye.